Okay, folks, Maine-iac here. I told some people I was going to make this, and they asked for me to give them the recipe. This is loaded baked potato salad. Pretty simple. Take some potatoes and cut them up just like you would, and cook them just like regular potato salad, except leave the skins on when you cook them. Okay, then we're going to put in some mayonnaise, but not as much as you usually would. Put some mayonnaise in there, kind of whip it up. Basically just enough to get your taters coated a little bit. About like that. Then what you want to do is get yourself a small container of sour cream. We'll take and we'll plop in some sour cream here. I'll just do it like this. And then coat again. Mix it up good. Now, this isn't the way I normally make potato salad. Usually I make potato salad with the mayonnaise and the peas and the cut up eggs and all that in it. This is a little bit different. And I'm going to, where's my fork? There's my fork. Try a little piece, make sure I got it coated right. Nope. Use a little bit more sour cream. You probably could coat it with just sour cream, but to me it might have too much of a sour cream taste in it if that was to happen. There we go. There we go. That's good. Set that aside. Fresh scallions. Okay. I'm not a big onion fan, but I like scallions. Don't ask me why. I don't know, but I do. You can use scallions or chives or whatever your preference is. Or you could just put in another vegetable if you want. That's enough. Oh yeah, that should be plenty. Get it all mixed in good. No, that's not mixed in quite good. Now I'm going to add in bacon bits. If I can get the thing open. There we go. Sure, add them all. Can never add too much bacon. Mix all up good. And we're going to top it off with some sharp white cheddar cheese. So I like cheese on my baked potatoes. Mix that right in too. You can put anything you like in it. Whatever you like on your baked potatoes, basically you can stick in this and have yourself a baked potato salad. One final time. Make sure we get some bacon and stuff in there. Some good stuff. Voila. That is really good. So there you go. One loaded baked potato salad at your service. Maine-iac variety, reminding you to have a good day. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Baked potato salad. It's yummy. It's good.
You and me were meant to be.